Hello, my dear students. How are you? I think you are fine. Let's start our lesson. Today we have a very interesting lesson. We are going to continue the unit sports. At the beginning of our lesson, let's watch the video by Kazakh TV. And now think and answer. What's the theme of our lesson? You are right. The theme of our lesson is sports in Kazakhstan. Today at the lesson you will learn new words about sports. You will be able to speak about sports in Kazakhstan using these words and find out new information. I hope it will be interesting for you. Open your copybooks and write down today's date and the theme of our lesson, sports in Kazakhstan. What kind of sports are popular in Kazakhstan? What is the most famous sport in Kazakhstan? You should answer these questions and write down your answers in your copybooks. Nice! Now let's read the new words. I will read the word twice. You should repeat after me. Skiing, skiing. Football, football. The next word is boxing. What is boxing? Boxing is a sport. Two people fight with their hands. Repeat after me. Boxing. Judo. Repeat after me. Judo. Cycling. And one more time. Cycling. What is cycling? Cycling is sitting on a bike and moving. Tennis. Repeat after me. Tennis. Hockey. Hockey. The next word is wrestling. Wrestling. Swimming. What is swimming? Swimming is moving with your arms and legs through water. Repeat after me. Swimming. The next word is gymnastics. Try with me. Gymnastics. And the last is horse riding. One more time. Horse riding. Good of you. Now I want you to take your vocabulary and write down all new words. Good job. And now you should open your student's book at page number 20. Do the exercise number 2. Read and listen to the text. Answer the questions. Let's listen.
Track 1.22. My country. Exercise 2. My favorite sport. 1.
Hi, my name's Talgat, and I'm 12. My favorite sport is horse riding. I love horses. I like going to the hippodrome with my father at weekends. This is a photo of me at the Ataral horse race. I'm the boy on the left.
2.
Hello, I'm Inju and I'm 13. I'm from Astana. I think it's the best city in the world. My favorite sport is cycling. I cycle to school every day. These are my cousins, Altai and Yerian, with their bikes. Cycling is very popular in Kazakhstan.
3.
Hi, I'm Gulmira, and I'm 13. My favorite sport is judo. My friends and I are in the judo club at school. On Saturdays, we sometimes watch judo competitions together. This is a photo of the 2015 World Championship in the Balwan Sholak Sports Palace in my hometown, Almaty.
Well done. Let's remember the difference between this that and these those. Указательное местоимение this переводится на русский язык этот и указывает на то, что предмет находится рядом с вами.
This.
А вот для множественного числа мы будем использовать указательное местоимение this.
This.
Следующая пара – это указательное местоимение that и those. Эти местоимения употребляются, когда мы говорим о предметах или людях, которые находятся далеко от нас. That – тот в единственном числе.
I don't like that guy.
Those – те во множественном числе.
Those are my friends.
The next exercise is number 3. Look at the words in blue in the text. Then choose the correct words to complete the rules. You should complete the sentences with this, that, these or those in exercise number 4. Good job! Let's watch the video about sports in Kazakhstan. After you're watching the video, you should complete the sentences and answer the questions.
Sports in Kazakhstan. People in Kazakhstan enjoy many traditional sports. There are lots of games that involve horses, such as baiga and kokpa. Kazakhstan has also got some great athletes in modern sports too. Take a look at our top 3 sports in Kazakhstan today. Cycling. Lots of people in Kazakhstan have got a bike. In fact, there are special bike paths in cities such as Almaty. Cycling is a popular sport, and Kazakhstan has a special racing team, Pro Astana. They wear blue and yellow cycling clothes, the colors of the national flag. Pro Astana cyclists win lots of medals, including a gold medal at the London 2012 Olympic Games for Alexander Vinokurov. Boxing. Kazakhstan is famous for this sport all over the world. The country wins lots of medals in boxing at every Olympics. Their national team is the Astana Arlans, and their symbol is the wolf. People from Astana all the way to Los Angeles know this boxer's name. Gennady Golovkin is a great boxer, and he never loses a fight. Most of his wins are by knockout, so people call him the Knockout King. Football. The most popular sport in Kazakhstan is football. Lots of people watch games between the teams in the Kazakhstan Premier League. Some of these teams even compete with famous European teams in the UEFA Champions League. There are lots of skillful players in Kazakhstan. Born in 1993, Bayajan Islamkhan is a young football player. He is the captain of Kairat, a team that plays in the Kazakhstan Premier League. He also plays for the national team. Bayajan is a great footballer. What other sports are popular in your country?
Thank you for your watching the video. To round up our lesson, you should complete the sentences and answer these questions. What is your favorite kind of sport? Is sport important to you? Why? Well done! Today at the lesson we were talking about sports in Kazakhstan. It's practice time. Thank you for your attention. See you next time. Goodbye!